Alright guys, today I'm going to go ahead and install my new shower head. With all the parts to it right here. You need your tape, go around the head of the shower. Right here, brand new shower head. Alright, so I already added the tape to it. Comes with it. Just wrap it around there, real easy. Alright, so the first part we're going to put on there is the shower bracket. You want to make sure you got that black washer in there. Alright, so bracket is on. All you want to do is twist it. So that tightens up. Alright. One more. And on there good, snug and tight. Alright, next up guys, we're going to hook this right here to the head. Make sure this black washer is in here. It's very important. This is going to go right here. Twist it good and snug and tight. This side right here connects to the bracket. Make sure that washer is in there. Bracket. Nice and snug right here. New shower head installed. Alright guys, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully it don't shoot all over me. Oh yeah, good pressure.